Presented on the topic water cycle, done by Andrew Lewis. What is water cycle? The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the Earth's surface. It begins when the sun heats water in ocean, rivers, and lakes, causing it to evaporate into water vapor. The water vapor rises and cools, forming clouds through condensation. When the clouds become heavy, water falls back to the earth as precipitation, such as rain, snow, or hail. The water then collects in rivers, lakes, and oceans where the cycle starts again. The water cycle is important because it provides fresh water and helps to maintain life on Earth. Process of water cycle. We have condensation, precipitation, collection, evaporation. Stages of water cycle. There are four main stages of water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or the ocean and turns it into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake, and ocean and goes into the air. Next is condensation. As the water vapor rises, it cools and changes back into tiny water droplets, forming clouds. Precipitation. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The cloud gets heavy and water falls back to earth as rain, snow, or hail. Next is collection. When water falls back to earth as precipitation, it may fall back in oceans, lakes, or rivers, or it may end up on land. When it ends up on land, it either soaks into the earth and becomes part of the groundwater that plants and animals use to drink, or it may run over the soil and collect the ocean, lake, or river where the cycle starts all over again. That is the end of my presentation.